Jen Fidel, the Pack Mom, and I'm here today to make your life just a little bit easier as a pet parent. I have my dog Abe, and we're going to talk about a quick and easy dog clothing guide. Do you dress up your dog? Do you find it easy to find the right fit? And are you concerned about the safety of your pet wearing clothes? Well, believe it or not, this 65-pound chocolate hunk likes to wear clothes. Usually it's more reserved for the smaller breeds, but Abe has always gotten excited when I bring out a new vest, a new collar, really anything. He's like a big baby at 9 years old. So to do this, the best way, each company has their specific dog clothing guide, which is usually a basic set of measurements you need to take for your dog. So you're going to always measure the collar, the length of the back, and the chest size. So let's start with Abe, who's scratching a bit today. His collar size is about 18. His chest size, which you're going to take underneath the right legs, the right front legs, and bring it all the way up around his back. And then the back length is easy. You're just going to go from the base of the neck to the beginning of the tail. Once you have your measurements, you're good to go. And remember, every company is different. So your 12-pound Maltese may be an extra small in some lines of clothing and maybe a medium or a large in others. So don't just get stuck in the mindset of your 12-pound dog having to be an extra small. You want to always get the right fit for proper safety. So how do you put on properly a good doggy outfit? Well, if it's a t-shirt, let's say, and it has a neck space, you're obviously going to put that over the neck first and then try one paw in the sleeve and then the other paw in the sleeve. If you're putting on just a vest or a life jacket or something of that nature that doesn't really have, it's not a shirt, you're going to put it over the back, tuck it under and fasten it under their chest, under their belly, and around their neck, and there you go. It's really simple. But always start with either the head or the back first. Abe has his life jacket on and he's ready for a boat outing. So let's talk safety. Safety as far as your pet clothing guide goes. You always want to make sure your dog has room to breathe and that nothing is too constricting. So I can basically fit my entire hand underneath his life jacket, so I know that that's a fine fit. Also, length. You want to make sure it's long enough, especially a life jacket. You want a little bit longer, but you don't want it to be so long that when they need to go outside to do their business, that you're going to wet the entire doggy outfit. So this one fits fine for Abe. You don't want to keep clothes on too long, especially in hot weather. And by all means, if it's a costume and it has a hat or some kind of headpiece, you don't want it to obstruct their peripheral vision. But safety is the bottom line. And Abe is going to relax and just enjoy wearing his life jacket for a little while. Thanks for watching. I'm Jen Fidel. I'm the Pack Mom, talking about quick tips for a dog clothing guide. Thanks.